Hey guys, it's been a while since we talked last time, and that's because we were moving to Brooklyn and I was a little bit busy packing and unpacking stuff, and today is actually Halloween, so it's been a while. And I showed you a little bit of what I'm doing in this room that is gonna be officially my office or my art studio, even when that sounds a little bit pretentious. But that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be basically my working area, and I want to decorate it and make it really nice and cozy. So I'll make a whole video about the little office later, but I don't want to do it now because it's gonna be really long. You're gonna probably see it on John's video, but I'll be a little bit more specific. So right now I want to show you what I'm working on, and it's on these illustrations. If you saw my last two videos, or I don't remember if it was the last one or 2 videos ago, I think it was 2 videos ago, I was working on these illustrations that I wanted to hang on the wall in the kitchen of the new apartment. So I went to print them and now I'm gonna frame them. I have these frames right here. Also, if you're interested on buying one of these prints or 3 of them, this is not the size, I need to cut them. I'm gonna leave my new Etsy shop down below so you can check it out. I'll be posting all the prints and stuff that I've been working on this channel that is not related to my pet art portraits. I found this cool frame in a store and it was just 50 cents, and it's actually a game for kids where I think you put a coin and it falls. But I'm gonna remove that part and I'm gonna put one of my drawings, something that I've been wanting to do for so long. So it's gonna be in this one, and I'm gonna put it on the wall in my office. So I'll show you how I do it. I almost forget to mention that I'm also working on these little girls. They're imaginary girls that I'm drawing around New York. The concept is that I'll take pictures wherever I go in New York that I think looks really nice, and then I draw a little girl, or it's always a girl on it, like comes from my imagination. I drew this one back into summer, so I decided to print it to put it in a frame and also hang it on the wall of my office.